Hi guys, if you too want to find out how you can get rid of all your skin problems, be it dullness, dryness, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, acne or any other such skin problems that are commonly faced by all, then here's a DIY face mask that you can prepare with sandalwood powder, rose powder and orange peel powder along with aloe vera gel to cure all the skin problems that we are facing. Yes, so this 3-in-1 face mask can be prepared at home in 5 minutes easily. Watch the video till the end to find out all about it. Start by adding 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder. Finally, go ahead and add rose petal powder 1 teaspoon. Now to mix the mixture, add about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. So let me tell you a few benefits of the ingredients present in this face mask. Sandalwood powder is known to have remarkable anti-aging properties and it further boosts the natural radiance of the skin. Not only that, but it also helps in making your acne go away along with fading all the scars present on your skin. Talking about orange peel powder has a lot of antioxidants present in it which fight the free radicals to make your skin overall healthy, and it further reduces your skin tone and brightens your complexion. Talking about rose petal powder is filled with astringent properties that cleanse your skin thoroughly and further provide a pinkish glow to your cheeks, to your face, and also make your skin even toned. Now talking about aloe vera gel is an anti-inflammatory agent that further makes your skin cooler and also reduces scars, blemishes, pigmentation and any other skin problems with regular usage. So now that we have whipped up this face mask, we will tell you how you can apply it. All you have to do is take a little bit of the mask on your fingertips and then spread it evenly onto your face. Let it stay on for about 12 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Pat dry with a soft towel and voila, you will notice a remarkable glow on your face with its first usage itself. Now if you want to use this face mask regularly, you should use this for about 2 to 3 times in a week and this will give you great results for sure.